you believe they were in line when they said we were gonna get hit by the storm? We did. Usually we don't. I didn't believe it, but we did. It's winter wonderland outside, and we were sitting right here enjoying the view from inside the house. I'm sorry for those who has to go to work in this weather, but if you don't have to get out, stay home. Enjoy because it's Sunday, and enjoy this view. You usually don't get to enjoy it if it's on the weekdays. It's usually not on Sunday. So it's Sunday, I don't see anybody's outside. Everybody's inside. Nobody's cleaning the road. Nobody's cleaning the driveway. Alright, so it's cold, so I had to go put a sweater on. But listen, make sure all your devices are charged up. You have flashlights with you. Make sure you have some hot water with you. Boil some water and it's gonna get cold. But anyway, because since they said we're gonna get hit by a snowstorm, and we did, we'll probably lose electricity. So always be prepared. I forgot to fill up my gas. Shit. But anyway, we have 3 cars at home. We can bundle up in one of the cars. Wonder if the gas station is open. I can go out there and get some gas. Now or later, maybe evening. Who knows? I need to get that reference to see if I do have gas, half a tank, but not full. Shit, why did I forget to? Oh, you know why I didn't fill up my tank? Because I didn't take the storm seriously. Because every time I take it seriously and I am all prepared, it doesn't snow. It rains. We barely get any snow. I didn't want to get my hopes high and it doesn't snow. It happens every single time. I am prepared for the snow. Well, I'm prepared for the snowstorm, but then it doesn't happen. So this time, I wasn't prepared. I do have gas, but not whole tank. Anyway, but hey, it is snowing, and I love snow. I love shoveling. I love playing in the snow. I grew up loving the snow, and I'm a winter baby. So, snow doesn't bother me as long as everybody stays safe, right? Me and my babies are gonna sit right here, get some coffee. Well, I'm gonna get some coffee. They're gonna get some hot chocolate. Maybe some croissant, toasted croissant. Sit here and look at this view. Enjoy this snow. It's Sunday, and that's the best thing. But again, I feel so sorry for those who has to go to work in this weather. Please be safe out there, okay? I know you have your obligations, you have your duties to meet, and if you're out there cleaning up the snow for us, for all the people, thank you so much. Gremlins number 2 is right here. Gremlin number 1's in the bathroom. We're both trying to fit in this one bean bag. Get up, let me show the bean bag. Okay, I'm gonna fall. We're gonna show the bean bag. We're trying to sit on this one bean bag together. Oh, Gremlin number 1. You alright? Anyway, what happened? He eats too much spices, his stomach is hurting. But anyway, we'll sit here. He'll join us. Who cares? Who cares? He's the lazy one. He's probably going back to sleep. We'll be here. Alright, let me show you how it looks outside. Okay. Then I'm gonna go check the backyard. Okay? I don't know if I can do some videos today. It's cold. If it's warm, yeah. But if it's cold, I don't know. I don't know if I can dance in the snow. I hear somebody's shoveling. Aryan, is that your friend shoveling, Lawrence? I hear somebody's shoveling. The weather outside is frightful. What the heck is all this? Why is it like this, lined up? Robbie, come check out the backyard. I don't know why it's lining up like this. Look, it never happened like this. Right?
Yeah.
Shit, who did that? Oh, yes. We'll do this when it gets warmer, okay? Get inside.
It's freezing. My hand's cold as heck.
I know, get inside. Let me see. Boop, boop. Go inside. My baby's making coffee for me. The middle one. The middle button. My goodness. This machine is so old, but this works so great. You know, when I bought this, you weren't even born. Around 2015 or 2014, I bought this. And it's more than 10 years, 11 years, and it's still working.
2000 what?
14 or 15. I like it a little bit at least. My Dunkin' creamer. Perfect. Yeah, 2014, 15, somewhere around that time. This machine is old. Yeah, we gotta get a new one. The one that comes with latte, cappuccino, espresso, hot chocolate, hot water, cold water for teas and coffee. Because this is old. This is when it just first out. You making hot chocolate yourself? Okay. We're about to froth my coffee a little bit. This one needs battery, boo-boo. Why is it frothing like that?
It always does that.
But look, it's shaking like that.
It always shakes like that.
No, it doesn't. It's my frother. I know how it works.
I know how it works.
You guys are using it too much, which is fine. I mean, you can use it, but I think it needs new batteries. Look, yeah. We're gonna need battery before we froth your hot chocolate. We come down here and froth this chocolate, hot chocolate. So here we are, back with the coffee and his chocolate milk here.
I stopped putting the cheese in here.
And my gremlin number one is like right there. I think your friend Lawrence is shoveling, because I heard shoveling in the backyard. Not backyard, but like he's shoveling, because I heard him shoveling. Like, can you come here and shovel? No, we're gonna go shovel together because this is something that we like to do. Me and my kids, we love it. I make videos. I make videos. They shovel. I shovel, and we do a whole lot of crazy things. But this is something that we like to do. Me and the kids. I used to do it when I was little. Me and my father, and then now me and my kids. Love it. Shoveling outside together. It's like cuddle time for us. Anyway, but when I was little, I did it with my father, of course. I loved shoveling with him. It was me and him before my brother was born. So it was so nice. It was like this back in the 90s. This is nothing compared to the snow that we used to get in the 90s, okay? That's like a foot or more. Here, because of ocean, yeah, a foot. I have some pictures with me and Dad and our car all the way inside the snow. I'm gonna show it to you. It's probably upstairs in the album. I'll take it and I'll show you how it is to snow. And this is nothing. We all get so scared of this stuff, but But if you'd seen snow back then, oh my god, it was like crazy. Whoever saw snow back then. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my mini storm vlog right here. Prepare ourselves to go outside and shovel and have fun, make snowmen, do some videos, take some pictures, capture this moment. So we can look back, like he's about to look back to my pictures from I was little with my dad in the cities, where I used to live in the city, and how we used to clean and shovel and all that. So I'm going to show him those pictures, and we're going to capture this memory, so when inshallah when he has his kids, he can show those. That's the beauty of taking pictures. You can look back to the memories, right? Anyway, everybody's out there who's plowing for us, who's cleaning the road for us, hats off to you. Thank you so much for your hard work, and please be safe. And I can't stay warm. You guys are out there cleaning. Thank you for sacrificing your time, your comfort time. You could have been at home Sunday, be under the blanket, and enjoy this weather. But you're out there cleaning the roads for us, so we can drive easily, so we can drive safely. That means so much. Hats off to you guys. Hats off to everybody who's gonna be out there doing this for all of us. Thank you so very much. Stay warm in your jackets and whatever gears that you're gonna wear, because I can't say stay warm inside the house, but stay safe, please. And thank you so very much for the people that's gonna go to work, that's gonna drive on this road, that has to go to work, and they have no other choice but to be at work, because not everything is gonna be closed today. Some things are still open, and they'll still be open. Mini grocery stores, corner stores and stuff. So, and 7-Eleven is open too. So make sure if you need anything, go out there and grab it. Okay? I want to see, because 7-Eleven is not, my 7-Eleven is not close to my house. So I have to go check Wawa. Alright? Bye. Or Dunkin'. Bye. See ya.